Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Portal News channel. In this time, Portal News channel will be explaining about Ooobtc, Fiat and debit card system. Exchanging crypto to fiat or exchanging fiat to crypto is one of the major problems faced by many cryptocurrencies and exchanges. Newbies find it so hard to key into cryptocurrencies or trade crypto on exchange due to lack of converting them back to fiat or fiat to crypto. Ooobtc exchange aim to keep things very simple and fast for beginners, users looking to delve into cryptocurrency. And even if you have never heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum before, Ooobtc does a very good job at creating a welcoming and informative page that investment to explore this new endeavor. And next, with the debit or credit card implementation, one can easily withdraw and deposit fiat to purchase crypto using a simple step via Mastercard, Visa, or any other acceptable card. So, with the recent development and partnership with some fiat payment provider, we will include fiat trading against cryptos. Example, USD via Bitcoin, Euro via OBX, CAD via Ethereum, and AUD via Litecoin. We believe that this will help solve the problem faced by many cryptocurrency exchanges. Ooobtc aims to enable quick and convenient crypto reality spending anywhere in the world without any special retransaction or waiting time. Very excellent plastic card concept. Well, soon we will see the implementation and can steps to use. Okay guys, that's my explaining about fiat and debit card system in the Ooobtc exchange. For more information, you can check their exchange at www.oobtc.com. Thanks for watching these videos.